What if I say business is as easy as spelling A, B, and C? Why do you think I say so? Because if you remember this A, B, and C throughout your life, I mean to say your business life, is going to be of great help to you. Now, what do ABC stand for? So before I really come to as to what ABC stands for, let me ask you a very simple question. As to when does a business start? Suppose if you have set up a factory, you have bought a lot of machines, placed it on the floor, right? And the production has also started. Do you think that there is a business? I would say no. Why? Because there won't be any customers. Because they don't know that you exist, you are ready with a platform which is producing something, a product, or you're placing across some service which is going to give them great value. So a business actually starts when people get to know that you exist, and which I call by A, that is people are aware, right? So awareness is what stands for A. And along with awareness is also the fact that you have to draw attention, because in today's world, there's a lot of noise. There's so much of information overload. So it's very important on your part to sort of draw their attention. So A stands for awareness and attention. So this is where the business starts. Where it ends when you actually get the cash. I won't say customer, because you may have customers, but maybe you are selling on credit. So you have not actually got the cash, and suppose if they don't pay back you the money, then it would be a bad debt for you. So the real taste of business gets to be the cash, and as it is said, cash is the ultimate reality. So it starts from awareness and attention, and it ends at cash. And in between is B, where the real business activities do undertake. Now, this business activities that is undertaken can be broken down into 7 broad functions, and that includes marketing, sales, human resource, technology, finance, management, and operations, right? So these are the 7 functions of business which falls in between. So if you remember this ABC throughout your life, I'm pretty sure that if you take care of the spectrum, your business is definitely going to do good. And with this sort of an understanding, you have to focus on 3 things. You have to focus first on the factor that your business shouldn't fail. It is as similar as like investing in a stock market. If you are investing your money into those set of stocks which erodes your capital, then it's a loss game, right? So you have to ensure that your capital is at least stay intact, so that you can later on get into more number of trades. So similarly in business also, you have to understand that your business has to be first made to be fail proof before you actually really focus on profit and cash flows. Now, before I move into the aspects on profit and cash flows, let me make you understand first as to why businesses fail. So there would be major 9 pointers as to why businesses fail, or which I call the stuck factors. Now, businesses get stuck maybe due to the fact that they are losing out to competition, or maybe that they are not selling enough, or maybe that they are having erratic business volumes, or they are failing to strategize, or they are getting stuck with cost eating up all the profits, or they are getting stuck doing what's not working, or they are getting stuck being marginalized by the marketplace, or they are getting stuck with mediocre marketing, or they may be getting stuck saying that I can do it myself. So these gets to be the major 9 pointers as to why businesses fail. And one really need to understand as to how they can really unstuck themselves from these 9 stuck situations. So if one knows as to how to do that, then you make the business fail-proof. And once you make it fail-proof, then obviously you work on those different functions which I spoke about earlier. It would really lead you to the profitability that you're looking for. And then from profitability, there would be obviously a series of activities which you have to take up in the right order to ensure that you gain the cash, which is the ultimate reality of business. So you have to make it fail-proof, profit-proof, and cash-proof. That should be the end objective of running any business. So this, what I'm spelling, is my based on my 24 plus years of experience, through my qualifications and my years of experience working as management consultant, as an investment banker and commercial banker, and sort of leading 1500 plus companies in India. And also basis my 5 years of business and entrepreneurship journey into training, business mentoring and coaching, my real estate business, my fundraising initiatives, and many others, which has really brought me $1 million revenues, right? So that's the very reason as to why I'm saying that you really need to understand this entire spectrum of activities, which is really going to help you get the results that you're looking for and give you that certainty and clarity, which I think the 2 C's, which gets to be very, very important for running any business. So if you are also looking for coming up with this certainty and clarity that leads you to the exponential growth of your business, then don't stop yourself from registering in this program of $1 Million Business Secrets through A5 system, which I have devised, and I'll sort of take you through the program in form of small steps and checklist, which once you keep on undertaking the activities as I propose, you are really going to be able to build the business that you are aspiring for, right? So just get this link below somewhere. You can get access to the link and you can subscribe to the program. I'm sure once you do that and once you go through this program, you would be getting the best of value that you can possibly get for the rest of your life and your business. So wish you all the best and see you inside.